Schneider Electric's XB series pushbuttons are high-performance control components designed for industrial automation, electrical control, and human-machine interaction scenarios. They include two sub-series, metal type XB4 and plastic type XB5. They are compatible with 22 mm mounting holes and support standardized applications worldwide. This series of products has a sturdy structure and diverse functions, and is widely used in mechanical equipment control panels, power distribution systems, logistics production lines, elevators, and building automation. The XB series pushbuttons have a variety of functional modules, including normally open, normally closed buttons for equipment start and stop control, mushroom head emergency stop buttons with self-locking structures for emergency shutdown protection, built-in LED light modules for clear operation and fault status indication, and knobs or key switches for easy operation mode switching, such as automatic, manual, and maintenance. At the same time, the series adopts a modular design, and the button head, contact module, and light module can be quickly assembled or replaced, greatly improving the flexibility and efficiency of on-site installation and maintenance. In terms of performance, the XB series has IP66, IP67 and even IP69K protection levels, and can work stably in harsh environments such as high temperature, dust, humidity, and oil mist. Its contact system supports high-frequency operation, and the electrical and mechanical life is up to 1 million times, ensuring long-term and reliable operation of key control links. All products have passed international certifications such as CE, UL, and CCC, and meet the quality and safety standards of the global market. Whether in high-intensity industrial automation sites, or in industries such as electricity, food, and chemicals that have extremely high reliability requirements, Schneider's XB series buttons can provide users with a safe, intuitive, and reliable operating experience, and are an ideal choice for improving equipment control quality and human-computer interaction efficiency.